Okay, to get started, decide how your hero should look like. In Scratch, every character is called a sprite, and you can change the way a sprite looks by changing costume. You can pick from costumes in the Scratch library, upload an image of your own, or draw a costume using the Scratch tools. Okay, get coding. You can find lots of different hero costumes in the Paintbrush Costumes tab. Click on the Costumes tab to pick out up to costumes. Okay, cool. Next. Move that out of the way. Now that you have picked out a costume, switch back to the Code tab and start to click here. Click on the pink lines. Back to the oh, okay, cool. So they're right here. Next, make your sprite say something. Okay, here they are using a block. Do this. Click the pink. Okay, so we go up to Code. All right. From the Looks menu, drag out two Save for 2 seconds blocks. Two Save for 2 seconds blocks. From the Looks menu. Okay, Looks menu is purple. Oh, right here. Purple, purple. Looks menu save for 2 seconds. Right here. Click the block stack to find out what happens. Okay. Next. You can change what your price is by clicking on the text box. Type in new text. Change the text. Show your hero's personality and powers. I can fly because our hero is flying. Next. The number in the say block controls how long your sprite will say each line of text. Do this. Shouldn't have reached block for no time after your hero says. Let's do 4 seconds. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Next. These blocks run in order. This is a sequence coding. This is called sequence coding. You can add as many safe blocks as you like to stack to make your sprite say different things in order. Add say blocks to your code and type in text to make your sprites say more about their powers.